How do I add conditional formatting to cells containing #NA in Excel? I have a column in Excel 2013 filled with values found with VLOOKUP. For some reason, I am unable to use conditional formatting to highlight cells which contain #NA. I tried creating highlighting rules for equal to and text that contains, but neither seems to work. How can I use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain #NA?
#NA isn't text as far as Excel is concerned, it just looks like it. It is actually a very specific error, meaning that the value is not available due to some error during calculation. You can use ISNA range to match on an error of this type. Rather than contains text, you want to create a new blank rule rather than the generic ones, and then use a formula to determine which cells to format. In there you should be able to set up the rule for the first cell in your range, and it will flow down the rest of the range. For example, to conditionally format cells, B6 column B8. Select the first cell you want to highlight. B6. Click Home and GT, Conditional Formatting and GT, Manage Rules and GT, New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the field Format Values, where this formula is true, enter equals ISNA $B6. Click Format to set the cell formatting, then select OK. Click OK again to create the formatting rule. In the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager, edit the range under Applies to X, $B6 column $B8. Select OK to apply the rule. Which will match to true and thus apply the formatting you want. For reference, Microsoft provide a list of these functions which shows what they are as well as examples of their use.
Use a custom formula of or use the format only cells that contain option and change the first drop-down from cell value to errors.
I usually just tricked the system by marking all cells in a specific color and then added a rule to format the correct values in black. The result is that all the not correct values remain colored.
If you want to support the channel, there's possibilities to do.